To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. At the top of your news feed, select Create Story to begin. In the row of options, you will find the new Collage feature. If it's not available, update your Facebook app to the latest version. Then tap on it to proceed. Now, select the images you want to include in your collage. After selecting, tap Next in the bottom right corner. Now, you can tap on each photo to adjust the style, as well as move or resize them to arrange the images into your desired collage layout. You can also change the collage background from this option. You can select any image from your gallery as the background. Once you are done, tap X to close the window. You can also use stickers, text, or filters to further personalize your collage. Once you're satisfied, tap Share to publish your collage. Your story has been updated. Check it out now. So that's how you can create and customize collages on Facebook Stories.